Hi!
Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel! Hi vlog!
We are going to Macau today.
We just got our tickets.
Yes, and the bus is literally right there.
It's like, what time is it?
7 in the morning.
7:44 in the morning.
Oh.
7:44.
We're about to take the bus. I think it leaves at like 8. We could do a little outfit of the day.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna film Mika's outfit first.
Top is from a random store in the street.
Sick.
Jeans are from Uniqlo. Docs.
Yes. Amazing. Okay, mine. Wait, I need to like remember. Okay, top. I think H&M.
Cute.
Jeans, thrifted but monkey.
Cute.
Converse on bottom. Thrifted Coach bag.
Very cute.
Yes. But yeah, we are about to head on to the bus, and we will talk to you later.
When we get there.
Okay, we have made it to Macau. The bus ride, a little bit of a struggle.
Chaotic.
Like, we were just sitting on the bus, riding, looking out, chatting, and then like there was the speaker that went off, and there was the audio. We were like, okay, maybe at some point they're gonna talk in English. They didn't. The bus, it stops, everybody gets off. We're like, it's been like 15-20 minutes. We know that's gonna take at least like an hour or two. So we're like, okay, guess we'll get off too.
Yeah.
We got off, and there was like custom border control thing going on, which we're like, okay.
Everyone was running. So we were like, are we gonna miss our bus?
Yeah, we're like, we're gonna miss the bus, and we were like the last to get off the bus too. So we're like, we're gonna forget us.
And we didn't know anywhere. There's no signs at the like front.
We're like speed walking. We find the bus because there's like arrows. So we're like, okay, we find it. We give our tickets. We get back on, and then we're like, okay, we're good. This woman, she I don't know how she came on last, but she got on the bus last, and like we started going, but she was out of breath. Like she was breathing.
I was like, she just went through a whirlwind.
So we're back on the bus. We're like, okay, good, we made it.
Made it.
The bus stops again.
And we're like,
and everybody gets off again.
we thought we were in Macau already, so we didn't know if it was the first stop or what. So I asked the driver, I was like,
are we here? Like, he's like, no, you need
to go through the whole situation again.
We made it, and we are literally in Venice right now. Like, hello. It's so pretty. Okay, anyways, we're in Venice, baby. Okay, let me show you around. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. We just pulled up in here and we're just like, wow, wow, wow. Jaws are dropping. This is insane. As you guys can see, we are in Venice. This is a fake ceiling. This literally looks like we're in Italy right now. I am loving this so much. Okay, well, is it gonna be called food court? I guess, maybe. I don't know. He just said it was on the 3rd floor. We're here.
Food court.
Oh, food court. But then are they all on the same? Wait, some only open at like 11. We are about to eat lunch. I just got my
oh, my food is coming.
Her food is coming. I got this stir-fried beef noodle. It looks so good. I've had these before. Well, obviously not here because I haven't been to Macau before, but I've had these types of noodles before, and they are so good. We're at like a food court in the Venetian place. Yay! What did you get?
The fried rice.
Yes. And it's a sled. Okay.
Very excited to eat. We have not eaten like all day.
Oh yeah, we haven't eaten breakfast, so we're gonna eat coffee. She had a coffee. I have no idea if I'm feeling her or not, but we're gonna eat. We're about to take some very touristy pics. This is so very cute. We have our tourist pics.
That is... Okay, you were closing your eyes. Very cute.
Wow. Okay, we were just in Italy. Now we're gonna go to like London.
We're gonna catch our flight.
Yeah, so
see you in a bit.
See you in like 2 seconds.
Like 2 seconds.
Okay, so right over there we have Venice, and then we walk over. Walk. And we are in London. There's the Big Ben. Wow, what a vibe. We are now in London. Oh yes, tourist pictures coming now.
Please direct me to the bookstore.
We're going to Central London.
Yeah,
London Bridge.
that's where we're going.
Open on the right-hand side.
That's where we're going. There we have the Big Ben. We're literally in London right now. I mean, except for the huge buildings behind. But everywhere else is basically it. Central Station. Oh, we need to click start, I think.
No, we need to retake that.
Woo, London!
But it's literally like a deserted island here.
Yeah, there's no one
Show
here.
your bar.
Like, no one.
What?
It's just, it's us.
But there is coffee on the table.
Yes,
And I
there
really
is.
want some.
Or maybe tea.
Even better in London.
London, yes. Pretty much on display, there's the cups, and then there's this. Wait. Oh no. Or do I? Okay, there's nothing in here.
I really want coffee. Okay, well they taunted us with this display.
They did.
And there's a ballroom.
Yes, a ballroom.
Bridgerton era.
Bridgerton
Wait, I
area.
want to take a picture. This is like better lighting than the.
Okay.
Do you think that's cute? That's cute.
That was
We
cuter.
went to the bathroom to see if it looked cute. It did not.
No, the Venetian is better.
Yeah.
I mean, when we were in Venice, the bathroom was way better.
Yeah. In Venice, we saw the sky.
We saw the sky. Here
Yeah.
there's no, I mean there's chandeliers. So we made it to the arena which we were looking for before.
a football stadium.
I thought it was football stadium too. It's like, I don't even know what this is because there's no like stage. There's just these boxes. Oh, there's people.
No. Well, the arena's not a football arena.
No, we just got kicked out. They were like, are you staff?
Like, do we look like stuff?
Do we?
Do we look like stuff?
That was a little awkward. Let's go upstairs because they have a ballroom.
Hopefully
and
we don't get kicked out of that.
yeah, hopefully we don't get kicked out of that. But right now, I am like a binge watching Queen Charlotte.
She's
like
in her Bridgerton area. Bridgerton era.
So if they have a ballroom, that'd be very nice.
Very exciting.
Because then we can dance a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And pretend.
And maybe meet our prince.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I live on Baker Street.
London transport. We are now in Paris. We're in Paris.
We skipped London, had a couple issues.
Yeah, we
couple
felt like
setbacks.
we felt like we needed a new city.
A new scenery. So took the next flight to
Took the next flight.
Paris.
And got to Paris. We're here.
There's a really cool building over there.
Yeah, we saw another building on the other side there. We wanna check that out. Also in London, we accidentally walked into like a whole convention. And the thing is, no one even said anything to us.
They just like gave us
They were staring, like they were like in their suits and their dresses.
They legit went like,
yeah, there was like places where you could take pictures, almost kind of at like a red carpet event. There's always like the wall and like
bright lights.
And we were just there walking through. We're like,
trying
okay,
to get
well,
to this ballroom.
but yeah, we're like, well, if we just keep walking, maybe we'll
Surely we'll
find
hit it somewhere.
Yeah,
Couldn't find it. Had to go back. In the lift, this man was like, "Did you get lost?" We were like, "Yeah." He's like, "Saw you walking around the convention." I was like,
Yeah.
"That's what that was." It's fine. We're moving forward.
Yes, this is so pretty with the like garden and
We're
the
going on a
trees.
little walk.
Little promenade. This is beautiful.
It is such a nice. The weather is also so much better. It was supposed to rain, so
the sun came out
Mother
and
Nature blessed
everything.
us today. Now we're on our walk.
Hi vlog.
I'm not a photographer. This bathroom is gorgeous.
Hey! We are back in the park and the Eiffel Tower, and we have gone to like a little bakery and got, it's very typical Macau food but also Portuguese. They like Pastel de Nata egg tarts basically.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna sit here, snack on them.
We had a couple weird experiences.
We did.
A random man asked us to take photos with him and started speaking
Yeah.
a random language.
And like he was taking selfies with us. And we're
Yeah.
like,
and he took a video and we're like, okay,
yeah.
must be a huge fan.
There's so many things happening today.
And then we
but
saw a mime.
we did, but he was this way.
He was a slave. I got a little box.
Ooh, they look so good.
Yeah.
A little loud, but we are getting dinner right now at the Cheesecake Factory.
Hi.
We just ordered and we both got a pasta. I got like a tomato basil pasta and Mika got
Fettuccine Alfredo.
fettuccine alfredo. We are back in London, by the way, forgot to say that. So the last clip that you probably saw was us sitting in the park. We
Trying
sat,
our Portuguese tart.
oh yeah, exactly. We sat on that bench for a while and then we switched bench to one that was in the sun and then we sat there for another while.
Yeah.
We live in life. This is my pasta. This is also the behind the scenes of Mika's beer. Wow.
Hi vlog. We finished dinner. Time to take a little midnight stroll.
Look, we're in Paris.
Very pretty.
It's actually, it's stunning. Yeah, we just ate and we were very full. Like we weren't even hungry when we were gonna go eat, but we're like, we don't know what else to do.
Because we sat in that park for like 3 hours.
I don't think we're gonna do much more.
To go to the bus station.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Comment, what should they comment?
Comment where you want to travel to
Yes.
this summer.
Say.
And make sure it leaves the group chat and actually go do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.